Gordon Bunny's one bad meal away from shutting down the entire kitchen.
Come here. Oh, I can scratch you both. Such a bully. Good.
Trust me, this cat is a spy, not a sleeper.
Bane?
Hey, can't get mad because you can't go to work. Oh. Don't spit on me.
They did. I'm sorry for ignoring you. Can I have a kiss? Oh, yes. Can I have another kiss, please?
That enthusiastic paw tap like, excuse me, sir, are you real?
Don't, Pippin. Pippin, no. Stop it.
He's acting like somebody ordered the rain.
Wow, there's an entire show.
The cats could not care less about that foil.
Sir, please move. Sir, please move.
tell him when the volleyball team starts a recruitment.
Leopards spend more time in trees than most other big cats. They're excellent climbers and often rest high above the ground.
Wow. Very good. Wow.
Yeah, that's my boy.
Get in here. Get in the house. Come on. Thank you.
This cat is sending a message that he's a tiny furry supervillain.
It's hard not to smile when a dog looks this happy.
I just got home. I walked into this. Dude, I have no idea how long this has been on. It's on hot and it's humid as hell in here. What did you do?
Planking with a dog is a whole different level of exercise, folks.
Sit. You okay? Oh, you okay? Come here. Oh, she's too cute. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta get up. Come on. You gotta get up. Come on. Off the settee. Off. Come on. Off.
The moment my phone is plugged into the charger,
Stick. Yum. Sorry, I won't eat you. My bad. Sorry, sir.
Someone's not a fan of the vacuum.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What? Whoa. Just, ow. Just, ow. Ow.
Something tells me he's not done yet.
What's this?
What's this? What have you done?
What's this?
What have you done? You're naughty.
Where are you going?
Shame.
Betty, what's this?
Someone put an entire trampoline in that dog's paws.
Yes.
But this branch right now that this bird's on is
Any guesses why this branch is floating? Drop a comment below.
Someone else had their eye on that treat too.
Yes, can I?
Move over, Messi. This pup's training to be the next big thing.
Breaking news, cats are evolving. Now they're classified as vegetarians.
Lisa, who you're spying on?
What is it? Sasquatch.
Did you know gorillas share about 98% of that DNA with humans?
Moo! Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This dog has a master's degree in emotional manipulation.
What the? Yes. Thank you for this food.
That's the face of a cat who just got demoted from only child.
Guino, stop jumping. How are you jumping on the stairs? Stop.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is on forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming over there. I'm zooming over here now. I'm everywhere.
Maggie, what are you doing?
Oh, baby. Don't let him take it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
What is that?
Oh.
Shit! Rap, rap, rap.
Chưa đúng. Đấy.
Okay, there's my golf clubs. My golf club, the bear. My golf club, the bear.
Hi, Baku!
Little legs! Why do you sit like that?
Did you build this plushie from a kit? He looks real.
Every dog has their own bedtime routine.
You gonna put her down?
It's alright, buddy. They're not gonna hurt you. They're not gonna hurt you, buddy. I'm sorry.
Winter update installed. Cats now run on shared heating systems.
You're leaving without me? Fine, you won't be missed much.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Scott. Come here. Moose. Hi, Moose. Hi.
A dog dreaming of the beach while trapped indoors.
You want a treat?
Just acting out a dramatic scene from a movie about surviving the desert.
Really, buddy?
Eugene, this is the only way you're gonna get prepared for the kayak. You're okay. You're okay.
Forget infrared, this dog has a snack-specific vision spectrum.
Oh.
It's okay.
Nobody told this dog that excitement has a speed limit.
Stop! Oh my god! If she would stop with her.
Otter Mom looks relaxed, but she's watching everything.
Can you smile? Come on, give me one smile. Come on.
The elephant's like, finally, a dance partner who can keep up.
We're gonna walk together with our elephant.
There's nobody out there. Oh, are you watching Cliff on a bike? She's watching Cliff on a bike.
She came for a drink, but she ended up getting a shower instead.
Bro, I want to drive. Move.
And I promise none of this is a metaphor. I just want you to come inside. Do you want the house tour?
It's okay. Doctor.
When the beat drops, but you're not allowed to get up.
That duck is clearly the self-appointed marshal of the golf course.
Come here.
That wasn't Hair to the Cat. That was a limited edition dangling toy. Prove the dog's sheer curiosity through invisible Wi-Fi.
Cat's job description: look majestic and get in the way.
Put on the jogging.
Just a pigeon doing its weekly grocery run in the produce aisle.
This is why you shouldn't mess. Goodness.
I know you're thinking about it. Don't do it. Oh, God. Wow. Are you kidding me? Murph!
Get one? I'm getting a video.
No, Reese, I love it.
Reese probably would buy it. Did you get it?
I don't know what to do. Oh. I thought you guys were a family. Jesus. You're fighting like me and my sister.
You should probably go and take this on the internet. It's so funny. So look, I come in here, so we're walking next to each other. Then she bangs me a couple of times.
Grab your toy. Blue. Grab your toy. Grab your toy. Come on, yeah, your toy. It's right here. Toy. Yeah, your toy.
Nope. Nope.
Other door.
Nope. Oh, nope. Fucking idiot. Stupid. Come on.
Oh, he's a...
The kangaroo decided this man is now his personal snack dispenser.
Смотри, как надо. Смотри. Вот так вот. Ныряй. Ныряй в снег.
Get
down. You were told to come potty. Get down. Seriously, Duke? What did I just say?
Mickey, what did you do? You want to try? Oh no.
The lights are on, but nobody's home.
Orange cat logic. If it pours water, it must be premium. Pre-snack ritual activated. It's pure excitement mixed with snack prediction.
Come here. Come here. Oh.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're counting down the absolute biggest drama queens in the animal kingdom.
Hey, Bear. Good job.
Alright. What is that?
The cone of shame? More like the cone of gains. Nothing stops this athlete.
Don't ask. Stop asking. No. No. You can't have pancakes, then you stop listening. You're on a special diet.
She wants the blanket.
They are living in a low-budget spy thriller where every encounter requires a tense standoff.
A smart crow acting as a crossing guard for a hedgehog. He's just trying to get his friend to safety.
Windows.exe has encountered an error and needs to restart.
Pluto! Come on, Pluto! Come on, buddy!
Bang! Bang, 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 bang!
You
No tap, no bath. That's just parrot's simple math.
No.
Okay, okay.
think he likes Mom's chips. They're not bad. I like them.
That's hilarious.
The dog is getting the spa treatment he's always deserved. What a VIP.
Happy Easter, Betty.
That's not a puppuccino, that's a speed run. My dog does this all the time. Can anyone explain?
When your attitude is higher than your IQ,
Just come in. Quit throwing a fit.
Is this what they mean by the birdie symphony?
Go say goodnight. Go say goodnight.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Every brush stroke seems to make him happier.
He's not asking for dominance, he's claiming it.
I believe that the opportunity will present itself.
Swing, abanico, alimenta tu familia con el paquete princesa.
I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no. I'm gonna sneeze.
Oh. Every cat parent morning's basically a surprise episode of Who's Coming Over?
Make yourself at home.
Great Danes are giant dogs with very small opinions about personal space.
You think you'd be getting murdered, huh? Baby, all I did was walk away for a sec.
She's already been hitting this bad boy for like 45 seconds, so I just figured I'd kick it on, catch the rest, say good morning, have a great day. Thank you for all the support once again. Nina and I really appreciate it. Meow.
นี่นะครับ เด็กดื้อทำจานแตกครูโฟเมื่อกี้ทำอะไรใครทำจานแตก
One of the first protesters against the digital age.
No, those are stuck on. Those are stuck on.